Gotta go fast. Just messing around. Hả Piak?
So this is Thailand. If you want to go to Bangkok. So this is the water fountain. So really pretty water. Like four. There's like four water fountains. So. One, two, three, four. Okay, today I'm going to show you a water fountain from Thailand. Please turn the camera there. There's a moai over there. There's literally a moai over there, though. Another. So there are four water fountains as the last video. So like this one. There's four. One, two, three, four. Yeah. But let's go to the short. Let's go to the short one, alright? because like the time has passed. It's not that tall.
Blue short water.
So we can
Gotta play with it.
Okay, so that is tall, so let's go over there. That is yeah, we're not. That's kind of hustle. Alright, let's get to the tall one. It's like in rain. Okay, that is too tall. I'm not getting wet. I'm getting wet, guys. Alright, so this is another water fountain, so let's go. These ones are really tall, so yeah. And it's the same by the time it's gonna get short and tall. Like Goofy. Yeah, it's getting taller. That's when it's getting taller, so let's wait for it to come down. Yeah. But it is faster because like it is in the middle of nowhere, so here's the moa I've been talking about. There's Literally and Moai over here. There's Literally and Moai. Alright, let's go. This is Moai. This is a lot of restaurants here, so there's a lot of restaurants, so I can't get inside, but that's just a nap. And that's I don't know how to say that, just like, oh, water fountain. Oh, so now the water fountain has rolled, so yeah, I think the owner just changed the fountain mode. Wait, what is that? Okay, so what do you do? Okay, so that was allowed. Okay, I still managed to go. It's just messed up, and yeah, it's just, and that's a bear. Yeah. Alright, just come up to come. Yeah, so that's the bear. It's like a ruby bear. Yeah. Ruby bear because it's literally all red. And why is there and so there? Yeah, just don't mind that. Yeah, and this one's here, so just come with me. So many restaurants. There's so many restaurants, so yeah. Hey, cái chỗ này mà. Ai? Come on. Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever.
I'm Thai. Mà chưa thế nào?
Asterisk licks cameras didn't touch.